walking by the loading dock doors this morning and just saw this massive amount of crates ready to head out to shows. These have all either been brand new builds that we've worked on for the past few months, or what we call pull and preps, getting booths out of storage, updating them with products, graphics, messaging, and more, making sure they're ready so our clients can be ready for a great show. We have some of the hanging banners that are shipping out to shows. These have to go out to Advanced Warehouse typically a month ahead of the show or so. That's what you see staged here. Seaman Corp in the back, multi-decade customer of ours. Hawk getting ready to go out. This is brand new for Strategic Execution. Their partner is Black Rifle Coffee Company. I can't wait to show you the video of the sign that we built for them. It's incredible. You know, if you've never worked at a trade show exhibit company, you know, you're a normal person. This is part of the business that you've never seen. And even if you're an exhibitor, you probably have never seen. All of these crates that we're surrounded by are part of one booth going to SEMA here in a little bit. This is the pull and prep. This is where we have to inventory and inspect and update with graphics and change out product and actually get it ready for a successful show. Here's a hint, if you're an exhibitor and you're not updating your booth and your messaging and everything else each year, you're falling behind. This is not our warehouse. These are just different booths that are being staged. In the back here, this is a partial booth for Kenda out of Columbus. It's gonna be a busy trade show season for us. I leave here next week and I think I'm not back home in Ohio for more than a few days at a time until December. But that's the fun of the trade show world. Thanks for taking a little peek at it, and we'll see you on the show floor.